About an hour.
Oh, no shit. That's pretty good.
Takes about an hour to kill it, so. This thing's a freaking monster. You see this curve? It's like, yeah, that's nothing. How slow can you go up it? Oh yeah, oh yeah. And that was rear-ended. Let's try front end now. It's like a little rock crawler. Yeah, I'm not giving enough gas for it to actually like. There you go. All right, let's try that again. I want it to go slow. Yeah. I don't know. Been outside for probably maybe 20-30 minutes. And I had 91% battery when I started. So probably only got about 10, maybe 15 left on it. But let's have a little bit of fun. Oh, I almost flipped. I was stopping it. I'm not even full throttle because I can't get the traction to go full throttle. Like it's just jumping way too much. See? I'm closer to full throttle now. God, this thing is so much fun. No, that's not terrifying at all. What I don't know is if this right here is a curb or not. You don't want to hit curbs going 40. No. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, this thing is so much freaking fun. Oh, it landed on its wheels. Oh, it landed on its wheels. That was terrifying because it's hard to judge like how far the trees are from the car. And so if I stomp on the brake, I'm gonna flip. I should probably hit before the battery dies on this thing. This thing weighs almost like 30 pounds. And if the battery dies, which I broke the wheel the other day, which is why I'm now wearing my GoPro pretty much every time I go out and have a little bit of fun. Because I want to get that kind of stuff on video. So yeah, I was going real fast. I was getting close to a curb. I went to stop and turn the wheel. And I like slid right into the curb. And the tire came, popped off and rolled towards me. But it was a $6 fix. And I could get some much beefier, oversized ones that don't break so easily for like 12 bucks from a third party. The best part about these trucks, everything on it can be fixed and upgraded and made better to the point where you've got a pretty much rebuilt from the ground up, completely indestructible truck. I do want to get some protection for the front though. So when I hit stuff with the front, like that was the A-arm. A-arms aren't expensive. Those are not expensive at all. So, but it'd be nice to have something there that, like a better bumper, you know? Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Let's go inside before you die. It's probably been about 40 minutes now, and the battery only lasts for about 40 minutes when you're this hard on it. I should make it a habit of bringing my little battery checker on me. Take like 5 seconds to pop the body off. Pop a connector off real quick and then check and see how one of the batteries is doing, and the other one's always like 1 or 2% off. Like this morning when I checked it, one was at 91 and one was at 92. So such an amazing truck. I've been keeping an eye on metal servo upgrades. I will be buying one as soon as one becomes available, because it does have a plastic servo, which is the thing that turns the wheels. This little knob here, and my e-Revo lasted about a week. About a week. Okay, I can't say no to this. This looks like a little bit of fun right here. And straight up, thing's a beast. Caught on that rock. Oh, this is bad all around. It's caught either. There we go. It's not. There we go. Look at that. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. So these trucks are like completely waterproof, but you have to like clean your bearings, all of them, after you go in like a lot of water. Like if I were to go in that. And I don't have experience cleaning bearings yet, so I'd probably just replace them. And there's 2 on each wheel, and they're not expensive, but still, it's a thing you have to keep buying when you go in the water. A little bit ain't gonna hurt it, but... Oh! Okay, so we're in a predicament here. There's no... Yes! But that wasn't the... That was the easier one I'm in. This thing is a champion. I'm telling you, any other car? No. No. Unless you get one the same size. Like Arma. You know? Not hating on Arma. I almost bought the Outcast. I was debating between the Outcast and the Traxxas. I like the look of the Outcast. And if I would have bought the Arma, I would have had to drop $900 on the truck. Oh, look at that! And this was $900 on the truck. And then would have dropped like, you know, 120 whatever dollars for the 130, whatever they are for the other one. So I did do that on this one, whatever, same thing. But then I would have had to buy a charger. Right now it only takes about 45 minutes to fully charge 2 batteries at the same time. I know you can buy other chargers like that with like Arma, like Spectrum, but then you're looking at spending, you know, a lot of money on a charger, and I already had the charger. Okay, can you... Oh... It's like something's holding it. Oh, okay. There's like, I see what it's holding. It's a little tiny lid. There you go. It's hard to tell, but it's right there. Yeah, whatever. This thing is so much fun. I can never go back to a little RC car ever again. I can't. For off-roading. Haha. Of course, tree branch. Oh, it's got me. Oh, it's got me. Oh no! I guess we're going home together. Oh! We got divorced. Paper. It was a successful divorce. Oh my gosh! This thing is so much fun. Avoid the water, avoid the water. I got another branch. Branches love me. Okay, let's go in for the battery, guys. GoPro, stop recording. I just want to make sure it doesn't fall backwards. That's all I'm holding it for. Oh, yes, see, but it fell backwards. Okay, it's a little loud. It would have made it the whole way though. GoPro, stop recording. And that's the motor temp, 129. And now we're fixing to find out if I would have been walking this thing home or not. Because this will tell me that, oh yeah, I was close, 24%. And then this guy right here, 2 batteries, 4S each, makes up 8S. That was at 26%.